Hey everybody, Thundermute back at it again. We're playing Bioshock. This will be part 5. Yeah, we're gonna play through the entire trilogy, just starting at the beginning. Anyways, we just left Arcadia, the forest area, so we are leaving Arcadia. So we'll see where we head to next. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Farmer's Market. I don't expect it to be very cheerful considering this hellhole of a city.
Julie, my dear, I am trying to run a business here. You want to spend time with my honeybees? Well, I'm gonna have to start charging you for the pleasure. If I come out one more time and find you lolling out there amongst my hives, I'm grabbing my shotgun.
Oh, that's extreme.
Answer your question? Yes. My days in beekeeping school are a blur. But I do seem to remember something about that enzyme you keep blabbing on about.
Whoa. Alright. Ooh, what's this? E-Blink 2? Why not?
Mom? Dad? Can you come get me?
This is a quaint little market.
Where are you? Nobody!
Ah, crap. Alright, let's see. Head this way.
The children, their very long needles, their tuneless songs, their ghastly errands, their ghoulish Frankenstein farmers, but we've all placed our hand on the great chain of endeavor. My hand is on it. Fontaine's is on it. We all pull it and are pulled by it. Yes, these children are an abomination. But it is not my hand alone on the chain that created them. No. Their little fingers were right there, next to mine.
Well, let's save them. I do kind of feel bad for the big daddies, though, because I have to kill them in order to save them. And like, if you didn't notice, like right there, he pulled her behind him to try to save her from like the gunfight. So like, they're not bad. They're just another cog in the machine. Now these guys, screw them.
In 10 years in this dump, I've come to accept a very low standard of life. But even at the bottom of this fish tank, a man must have standards. The pathetic Trudecu down at Morley Winery has started putting water to his terrible wine. Water! When I confronted him with this fact,
Ow.
he tells me, Pierre, this is not to worry. The water, she is distilled. It could be worse. I could take it right from the ocean.
Children, with their very long needles.
Ugh, look at my hand.
Tuneless songs, their ghastly errands, their ghoulish Frankenstein fathers. But we've all placed our
Alright, we gotta go in here.
on the great chain of endeavor. My hand is on it. Fontaine's is on it.
That
We
is a
all
big
pull it
beehive.
and are pulled by it. Yes, these children are an abomination. But it is not my hand alone on the chain that created them. No. Their little fingers were right there, next to mine.
That's a lot of freaking bees. Okay, what are we looking for? Something in here, apparently.
I will execute
There we go.
upon thee. The Lord
Looking for enzymes.
repent. Nobody lays a hand on me.
Uh-oh.
I
Uh-oh.
am good enough.
No, you're not. Alright. Hopefully we find the rest of what we need. Come on. Oh, I don't need any of that. There we go. I think that, nope, still we need one more. Oh, come on, where is it?
Ah, it hurts. It hurts. Jesus, it hurts.
Come on. There we go.
I'll chase you.
Oh, that's perfect timing.
Why do they wear those masks? Maybe there's a part of them that remembers how they used to be, how they used to look, and they're ashamed.
Probably. I mean, if I looked like these guys, I'd be pretty ashamed too.
Life ever created? What is the most vicious obscenity ever perpetrated on mankind?
Oh,
Slavery,
didn't mean to drink that.
the Holocaust, dictatorship. No. Which all that
Come on.
out.
The children must remain functional to be effective producers of atom. I had hoped to replace them into vegetative states so they would be more pliable. I find being around them very uncomfortable. Even with those things implanted in their bellies, they are still children. They play and sing. Sometimes they look at me. They don't stop. Sometimes they smile.
Look at me, Mr. Ryan.
Oh, what's up, Big Daddy?
Give.
Alright, we'll see if this guy calls a little sister out. How many little sisters? Oh, there's only one on this level? Wow, only one? Okay, so there's only one, so we don't have to fight any more of these big boys. I know I saw another splicer down here.
Who's that?
Should have just stayed in the water. Alright, how many more of these? Two more. Oh, there's another one. We're getting close. One more, one more. There we are. Were you trying to do something there?
Do you have all the components for the Lazarus Vector yet? If you do, best head to a crafting station. Then, head back back to Langford's lab and put the whole witch's brew in the mister. That should clear this fog right up.
The Lazarus vector. Sounds fancy. Oh, out of that ammo
From the
too.
sounds of that you invented, I'm guessing you're the proud papa of a brand new Lazarus vector. Now drop the vector into a gadget called Central Misting Control. Then we'll be cooking with gas.
Let's just get the hell out of here.
Rapture lives.
Leave me alone! I wasn't running to save me. I was running to save you.
I heard die!
I thought, yeah, I already got the little sis. Okay, yeah.
Woe be unto you!
Alright, here we go. Back to the tree level.
Don't fight the inevitable. Run out of oxygen soon and then just go.
Ah, just keep moving. Who's whistling? Alright. Lab access sealed. Okay, we got the little sisters on this level too. Alright. This should be your office. There we go. Oh.
What is it? Get
Hi.
out of my territory!
Deploy the Lazarus vector. The Lazarus vector.
This is a damn big girl with crack. How long is it gonna take?
It seems Julie's death didn't provide a clear enough lesson to you. Perhaps this will suffice.
Ryan's got your number. No doubt he'll be sending company. Best to head back to the lab entrance and seal her up. Might be the only way to keep the splicers out.
Oh!
I sent you a wee package through the pneumo. It's not much, but every little bit counts.
Come here,
Okay, let's get the hell out of here.
What are you waiting for, Boyle? Ryan's lads are on their way. Get the lab entrance.
Oh, there we
sealed.
go.
Did you get that door closed? Good. That should buy some time.
Not much, apparently.
Fix him! Fix him good! Kill the parasite!
Oh, you know what? I should probably use some of these.
Come on already!
There we go. Yeah. Have fun with that.
Oh, Christ! Here they come!
Counterattack! What the fuck? Okay.
I'm a professor!
Where's that little teleporting bastard? There he is. Got him.
For Christ's sake, how long is that damn vector gonna take to cook?
Clean it up! Clean it up! Come here now!
Typical behavior for someone with your control!
How dare you touch me! Stop running!
I'm worth 10 of you!
Ah! Oh, crap. Well, I really did not mean to... Sorry. Jeez. Alright, what do I have the most ammo of? I guess my machine gun.
I'm opening you up! They're running! Someone get them! One shot, you might have missed! You nothing! Quick! Someone shut the door!
Where are you going?
I always forget about my plasmids. Alright, how many more of you? Alright, I think we're good. I'm gonna need to buy some ammo. Okay, what do I have to do? There we go. Bam!
Well done, lad. Take a deep breath and enjoy it. Then head over to Rolling Hills and get the bathysphere. Next stop is Ryan's house. It's time for blood.
Alright. Let's go kick Ryan's ass. He really wants me dead, so... if it's me or him, it's gotta be him. Definitely buying some ammo first.
Sneezing. I can see death floating in the air.
Where is a place to buy ammo? Where the hell am I?
Why are you so resistant to the traditional methods of separating a man from his soul? You're not CIA, are you? You belong to Atlas, the one roach I can't seem to exterminate. Don't worry. I just need time to find the proper poison. I believe in no God, no invisible man in the sky. But there is something more powerful than each of us, a combination of our efforts, a great chain of industry that unites us. But it is only when we struggle in our own interest that the chain pulls society in the right direction. The chain is too powerful and too mysterious for any government.
I think
to
we
guide.
need to go.
Any man who tells
Fort
you
Frolic?
different either has his hand in your pocket or a pistol to your neck.
Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. I know it's shorter than normal, but I have things to do today. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're still listening, that means you watched the whole thing. I really appreciate that. It does mean a lot to me. I do need to get my watch hours up. And my subscribers, but, you know how it goes. Anyways, yeah, next we're going to Fort Frolic. We're going to take out the guy there, and then after that, I believe we are going to find Ryan. So, go ahead and check out the next video. Should be fun. As always, have a beautiful day. Thundermeat out.